Hello friends, good morning. So yesterday I actually got an IPL treatment on my face, which is intense pulse light. So I don't think it's quite a laser, but it's like same but different essentially. It targets mostly rosacea, but also pore size, pigmentation, etc. And they told me that it's normal like the day after and for a few days for like pigment more to come to the surface. So some pigment has come more to the surface, which is a good sign. In terms of pain, I would say overall it was like a 4 or 5 at times. Like it honestly wasn't that bad. It's just in the moment because essentially what it feels like is tiny little hot elastics, like as if someone's like boop, boop, boop on your skin. So again, it's not the most comfortable feeling, but at the same time, it is pretty effective, especially for rosacea and redness and to overall even skin tone. So that's obviously my goal. And hopefully with one more treatment, which it wasn't suggested to me to do in summertime because obviously the UV is so much stronger. So I'm going to do the next treatment in October, but I may do a supplementary type of laser in the summer. We'll see. I don't know. The whole treatment itself doesn't take very long. It's about 15 to 20 minutes maybe for the entire face. It's honestly more so the prep that takes a bit longer, getting things set up, explaining things, putting the gel on beforehand, getting the hair out of the way. All of those tasks take much longer than the actual process and procedure of the IPL. So yeah, it's about 15-20 minutes, and then afterwards they just put cold compress on your face, ice cubes or like ice packs to kind of cool things down because your skin does feel quite spicy and tingly right after, but it dissipates as the minutes go by. Like by the time I left, I no longer felt like a burning or tingly spicy sensation on my skin. And what they recommend afterwards is obviously to avoid any like acids, retinol, vitamin C, those kind of things. Anything that could be like, what is the word? Not stripping, but whatever, you guys know what I'm trying to say. To avoid all of those for a few days and just kind of keep it basic, like with moisturizer, sunscreen, and to use a face wash that's obviously gentle, not stripping or like has other active ingredients. This was my skin immediately leaving the clinic yesterday when I had the treatment done. As you can, I'll get out of the way. As you can see, like my face is pretty red, but honestly, I thought I'd leave looking a bit redder and a bit more crazy. So it honestly wasn't that bad. Here's another angle. You can way better see kind of like my acne scars, the pitted areas, etc. But again, this sort of treatment more so targets the rosacea and overall like pigment. And then that's a concern I can address for another day. So I'll keep you guys posted on the texture of my skin and kind of how it improves. But yeah, I'm really excited because I've always had a very red face. I've worn makeup every day since I can remember, to be honest. And yeah, so we'll see. Maybe this new adventure will get me to wear less makeup, but probably not.